In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark invoices as paid in Xero, a task that might seem a bit daunting at first, but becomes quite straightforward once you know the steps. To begin, you'll need to ensure you're on the Xero website, as all our actions will take place there. If you're not yet logged in, go ahead and do so now. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard. For the purposes of this walkthrough, let's say you're working within the demo company. You'll want to click on that to move forward. Now, with the correct company open, direct your attention to the top menu bar where you'll find the Sales option. Clicking Sales will take you to another set of options that are crucial for our task today. As you proceed, you will see a tab labeled Invoices. Click on Invoices, and this will open up a list displaying all your current invoices. Our focus now will be on those invoices that are still awaiting payment. So, find the Awaiting Payment section and click it. This section is specifically for invoices that have been sent out but haven't been marked as paid yet. Within the Awaiting Payment section, look through the list of invoices until you identify the one you've received payment for and need to mark as paid. Click directly on this invoice to open its detailed view. Now that you're viewing the selected invoice in detail, look for the option that says Add Payment. It can usually be found on the right-hand side of the invoice page. Click on Add Payment, and a new window will appear where you're going to input the payment information. In this new window, you'll see fields that require some specific information. First, you'll enter the amount that was paid. Be precise when entering this figure to avoid discrepancies in your records. Next, enter the date the payment was received. This is important for maintaining accurate financial records and ensuring that your books are up to date. Also, you'll need to select the account into which this payment was deposited. Carefully choose the correct account from the drop-down menu to ensure everything is reconciled correctly. Finally, there's a field for reference. Here, you can enter any reference number or detail associated with this payment that might help identify it later for auditing or tracking purposes. Once you've filled in all the required information, take a moment to double-check everything for accuracy. It's always good to ensure numbers and dates are correctly entered. Once satisfied, look for the button labeled Add and click it. This action will officially mark the invoice as paid, updating your records accordingly. With these steps completed, you've successfully marked an invoice as paid in Xero. This not only helps in keeping your financials organized, but also ensures you have an accurate picture of your business's cash flow. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful.